Have you ever experienced your stop loss getting hit during live trading? It can be frustrating and confusing, leaving you wondering what went wrong. Today, we'll discuss some common reasons why stop losses get hit and how you can prevent it from happening in the future. One of the main reasons stop losses get hit is due to market volatility. Prices can fluctuate quickly, triggering your stop loss before you have a chance to react. To avoid this, make sure to set your stop loss at a reasonable distance from the entry point and consider adjusting it based on market conditions. Another reason for stop losses getting hit is improper risk management. It's essential to calculate the proper position size based on your risk tolerance and account size. Overleveraging can increase the likelihood of your stop loss being hit, so be sure to trade responsibly. Lastly, emotional trading can also lead to stop losses being hit. Fear and greed can cloud your judgment, causing you to move your stop loss or exit a trade prematurely. Stay disciplined and stick to your trading plan to avoid making impulsive decisions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies.